So Ribbit, as I said, is a third-party API for Flash Player and Air, and enables phone calls and messaging to any phone number. So last year we were here, and my whole session was about Ribbit. And like I said, I wanted to try something a little different this year and have a little bit more fun and do some interactive stuff as well. Although you can't really get much more interactive than Ribbit, because you're talking about a service that connects people in the most intimate way, which is voice. I mean, making phone calls through Flash Player is still blows my mind that we were able to do this. It's an API that's available to you. Just like Red 5 and Merapi, there's a great site, developer.ribbit.com, which I'll poke around in just a bit. And you can download the API, and we actually have distinct, we're very Flash savvy, so there's Brendan, myself, Peter and Wes are up front here, and Chris is joining us as well. And so afterwards, you guys feel free to ask us any questions about this. But what we've done is we created 2 distinct downloadable packages for developers. So on the Flex side, we have a SWIC, which is the entire code library, which you pull into your project and you're off and running. On the Flash side, you can pull in that code library, but for folks who are more design-oriented, we have a Flash toolkit, which is actually going to get sort of a nice resuscitation in the coming weeks. But it's essentially going to install controls in your library inside Flash Professional and allow you to drag and drop a lot of the functionality right into your existing or new applications. So it's pretty awesome stuff. So I'm going to do a couple examples here, and we have some shirts to throw out to folks who graciously volunteer. So I'm going to jump over to this first example, which is a simple phone, because it's simple. And this is all Flash, so I'm going to right-click on this to prove it to you. Ready? Flash Player. Okay, so nothing else. I didn't download anything else. This is all just basically a Ribbit app. And you see this line right here? I don't know if you can read it, but it says get the AS3 code. Why? Because just go and download it, and you can have this exact thing running in a matter of minutes on your computer there. So I'm going to log in with my Ribbit developer account here. And I'm logged in, and who wants to volunteer me their phone number? Okay, can you,
Yep.
You mind standing up?
Yep.
You have one of those mini computers?
I do, yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
All right. What is it?
613, 1613,
Yeah?
863,
Uh-huh.
3322. Only take away one of the last threes.
Okay, let me try that again. 1613
863,
863
3322.
3322. 613 863 3322. Okay, what was your name?
Tristan.
Tristan?
Yes.
Cool. All right, Colin.
I don't know if we have service down here though.
Oh, really? That
Yeah.
would be not so good. Does anybody have service? All right, let's try you. I'm gonna go to your voicemail though. Sorry, that's really loud. Lower the volume, please.
Your call has been forwarded to a voicemail.
Can I leave your voicemail?
I think I just signed up for a new
Did you just say? All right.
data plan, so it just.
Let me try
my
someone else.
voicemail.
It's all good. Yeah, your number.
807
1807. Yeah.
251
Uh-huh.
8888.
Huh. 33228. This is really cool. It's like the land of redundant numbers. All right. What's your name?
Kevin.
Kevin. Okay. Kevin, I'm gonna try and call you. Any luck there?
Got 4 wires.
Okay. I hear a ring. Answer. Oh, here you go. Oh, whoops. Okay. All right. Anyway, you got the idea. I hope. So yes. So there's a nice two-way call-in feature there, right off the browser. Pretty slick. The code is all yours to play with. So I'm going to dive into another example, which I think is, I like it a lot. This one. Okay. So we're going to go to. There's a site we launched that kind of shows off some cool stuff. And Yeah, you never know when you're getting into. All right, so I'm gonna log in here, and then this time I'm gonna need someone to call into me. Oh, we had 2 volunteers. I forgot. Can I get 2 shirts?
Right there.
Thanks. All right.
Sizes, are they the same size? They're different.
All right, that's me
Top ones were
on
large.
screen. It's my Celtics headband. And I'm not gonna bother with you because you have the chandeliers to. Well, but all right. So I need another volunteer. Come get your thing after. Oh, are you calling me?
Yeah, man.
Wow, you're like autopilot. Anyway, you see your number there? You didn't even give me a chance to explain that. That's cool. It's all good. 807-251-8888. So basically, we reversed the process. So instead of me calling you, I had you call me. And then the cool thing with Ribbit is I can actually get the caller ID coming in from the server. It's basically a pushed event that says, "Hey, application, you have an incoming call." And when I do that, I take your number and then I dynamically call up 9 video clips here that show your number. It's pretty neat, huh? All right. That's okay. You can clap.
Yeah. I don't want to be the only one.
And that's the first time you didn't give up your volunteer seat. You just kept going. So it's all good. Thank you, Kevin. All right, we'll get your shirt and we'll get you another special gift too if I buy the booth and come up and see me afterwards. So anyway, just kind of cool stuff that you can do there. And then I'm going to do one more demo, which is. This is called SMS. This is the SMS feature. So also with the Ribbit API, I can actually send SMS to any mobile number. So I need one more volunteer. Okay. And what's your number?
It's 519
Yep.
404 8232.
And I'm gonna say, what's your name?
Nickel. Nikil.
Okay. Rocks. And send. So anyway, it's going to go through the magical telephone network and hit you up and let us know when you get that message.
Sure.
So those are a couple of cool things you can do with Ribbit, and similar principle there. To do the talking, we're actually attaching the microphone in that, similar to that NetStream object, and shooting up to the Ribbit service, except at the Ribbit service platform layer, we actually have sort of like a smart switch, sort of like our own Lily Tomlin, plugging in people and connecting and routing them together, except it's all done obviously with state-of-the-art technology. But anyway,
9 to 5 reference.
what's that?
Good 9 to 5 reference.
Yeah, pulling it all out. Okay, so that is Ribbit. So let me just show you the developer site, which is where we like to keep all our juicy information as well as various videos of me talking to the camera and other developers and stuff. But this is where you go to download that API and sign up, and everybody in their bag at FITC got a little credit because that enables you to do some international calling. Any luck with that message coming in yet?
Not yet.
Okay.
I have only half a bar, so.
Oh, all right. I should say, I keep forgetting we're in the basement here. Who has good service other than Kevin? Anybody? Yeah, let's try it. I want to do this one because it's cool. Kevin, what's your name?
Julian.
Julian?
Yeah.
Cool. What's your number?
416
Uh-huh.
737
Uh-huh.
7226.
Okay.
You know there's a catch when we all get drunk out tonight, right?
What's that?
There's a catch. You guys are going to drunk dials tonight at the party.
Yes, this is true.
That's right.
All right, anyway, you should get that too. Here you go, some shirts. And, all right, hopefully you'll get that message. Okay, so basically Ribbit stuff. And like I said, we get the site up. It's getmicrophone.com. And a lot of cool knowledge and fun stuff here. We're doing a lot of blogging about stuff in the space. My presentation's up here as a page. You can actually get a badge if you want, which Brendan designed, and embed that into your blog or wherever. Our Twitter is getmicrophone.